Hello everyone, welcome back to the Real Car Coding Jobs series on the Car Diagnostic software channel. Today, I'm working on a Mercedes E-Class, model series 212. Today's job is disabling the lane keeping assist function by coding the CGW module. Before starting the job, let me quickly explain what lane keeping assist is. It's an active safety feature that uses a front-facing camera to detect lane markings. When the vehicle drifts out of its lane without the turn signal being used, the system automatically intervenes on the steering to bring the car back into the correct lane, often with steering wheel vibration or an audible warning. On some vehicles, this intervention can feel quite aggressive, especially on rough roads or faded lane markings, which is why many owners want to reduce or fully disable it. As for software, I'm using Xentry Diagnostic for general diagnostics and DTS Monaco for coding. As for hardware, you can use whichever Mercedes-compatible device you already have in your shop, such as the C4, C6, or TabScan. In this video, the customer's car is connected via the C4 device. First, I connect to the CGW module, Central Gateway, which manages communication between the vehicle's electronic systems. Wait for the software to scan and successfully connect to this module. After successfully connecting to CGW, I go into the coding menu. From the list of domains, I select domain 002. Within this domain, I locate lane departure protection, the coding parameter that controls the lane warning and lane keeping assist feature. I change the coding value for this item to not available to fully disable the function. After the coding is saved successfully, the final step is performing a hard reset on the CGW module for the change to take effect. I wait for the reset process to complete, then check the coding status again to confirm lane departure protection is now set to not available. The lane keeping assist function has now been successfully disabled. Before wrapping up, a quick note. All instructions in this video require a certain level of technical knowledge to perform. We do not recommend attempting this if you don't have a solid foundation in vehicle coding and diagnostics. So with just 3 steps, connecting to CGW, coding domain 002 to disable lane departure protection, and performing a hard reset, you've successfully turned off the lane keeping assist function. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and follow the channel for more coding videos. If you have any questions, we're always happy to help and answer them. We also offer remote coding support services worldwide. Contact us via WhatsApp in the video description or leave a comment below for support.